My name is Joshua Egeme, a graduate of Petroleum Training Institute, Warri. Lend me a portion of your time. Let me enlighten you on your need for solar and the importance you have it installed in your home. There's the issue of unstable power supply that have plagued us as a nation for a long period of time. It's similar to the issue of water that once also affected us and our ability to have clean water. But the arrival of boreholes, drilling of boreholes in our homes helped us solve that problem. There's the same way solar can actually help us sort the issue of power if we let it. You can have it installed in your home, comfortable, control the power in your home, and also the time you want it. You can enjoy that TV show you are interested in, keep that refrigerator running at all times, and also you can have it at the tip of your hand without noise from generator and the fumes that comes from it. All you need is just give me the go ahead of a technical site survey of your home. I will get the necessary amount of power you need in your home, and also the location where the panel will be installed, and also where the inverter and the battery will be installed. Solar is cheap, is affordable and durable. It serves you at least for 15 years. And imagine taking off that problem of power for the next 15 years in your life. How much time you have to think about other things. Install solar in your home today. Thank you.